Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. Guys, do you know how load transfer from slab to foundation and frame structure building? Because there are more students and they have a small confusion about load transfer mechanism or load path and building. So today I will clear your concept that how load transfer from slab to foundation in this short video. So let's start guys. Guys, you can see this is, suppose this is RCC slab. My diagram is not good, but I will try to make something for you people, right? Sorry. As I told you. Like this. You can see guys, this is a slab, right? And here guys, you can see this is column, this is other column, this is other column, and this is the fourth one column, right? As you know, in frame structure we have the first one, that is what? Footing. The second we have column. The third one we have beam, and the fourth one we have slab. Okay, from substructure to superstructure. So how the load transfer from superstructure to substructure? Means from superstructure to the foundation. Guys, you can see, suppose this is beam and this vertical member is column. Okay, so this is column, this is also column, this is also column, and this is also column, and these are beams. Okay, this is beam, also this is beam, and this is beam. So now guys, you can see this is slab, this is slab, right? So how the load transfer from slab to foundation, right? So from slab to foundation. So guys, you can see the first one we have slab, the second one we have beam, the fourth one, the third one we have columns, and the last one we have what? Footing. Okay, and footing, after footing we have side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So guys, let me remove this column because it will confuse you when I'm explaining this. Okay, first of all guys, the load transfer mechanism in the slab, that is when the load comes on the slab, so the slab transfer the load same like this, so it make a triangle like this, also this side, also this side, like this. And here guys, the load from slab, so slab distribute the load to the beam. So the slab transfer the load to the beams. How? Same like this guys. You can see. Okay, also this side. Also this one. Okay, so this is the load transfer mechanism from slab to the beams. Okay, so first of all, the load distribute slab, the slab distribute the load to the it's distribute the load and transfer to the beam. Okay, what is beam? So this is beam. Then beam transfer this load. Okay, the beam transfer this load to here, as you can see, like this. Okay, you can see also here, this is the load path, same like this. So now guys, we have the third one. Then when the slab distribute the load and it transfer the load to the beam, so the beam transfer the load to the safely to the columns, and columns transfer the load to the footing. As you can see, this is footing, this is also footing. Okay, but I removed this one, the fourth one column. Okay, so because you will confuse here in this diagram. Okay, so these are footing. So guys, when the load transfer from the beam to the columns, so columns transfer the load to the what? To the footing here, like this. This is guys footing. Okay, so these are footings. Also this. So it transfer the load to the footing, and footing transfer the load to the sile, and here you can see guys, to the sile. Now you can see this is the strength of sile which I am making here. It's called bearing capacity. This is called SBC, sile bearing capacity. Now guys, we have here a question, a small question. When the load, when the slab distribute the load and it's transfer to the beam, and the beam transfer the load to the columns, and columns transfer the beam to the footing, then footing transfer all the load safely to the foundation. So the foundation is also, you can see this is the sile. So in sile we make foundation. So this footing transfer the load to the sile. So here is a question. When the bearing capacity of the sile is best, or if the bearing capacity of the sile is good also, means when the applied load is less than from the sile bearing capacity, okay, or the strength of sile. So remember guys, that the strength or sile bearing capacity should be maximum compared to applied load. Then the structure will be safe. When the applied load is more than, for example, this is just example, if the load is, for example, that is 10,000 kg per meter square, for example, this is the applied load, 10,000 kg per meter square, and the bearing capacity of the sile, F the SBC, sile bearing capacity, this is the strength of sile, F sile bearing capacity is SBC, if this is for example 9,000 kg per meter square, so the structure will be failed. Remember, the structure will be failed. But if the SBC sile bearing capacity is more than applied load, more than structure load, for example, if this is for example 15,000 kilonewton, 15,000 kg per meter square, so in this we should have factor of safety, okay, then the structure will be safe. So guys, this is very important. This is short video, but it's very important that applied load or structure load should be minimum compared to sile bearing capacity, okay, strength of sile. So guys, this is a short video which I have discussed the front of you, a load transfer mechanism, or how load transfer from slab to foundation, which I have discussed the front of you. So guys, if you have any question about this video, so you can comment, I will try to reply your answer. If this video is helpful for you, so don't forget to like this video. So thanks for watching, see you in next video. Goodbye.